My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2021 Peugeot 208. This vehicle has done just over 30,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a fully electric motor. On the steering wheel we have features such as voice control and cruise control. We also have automatic wipers, automatic headlights and a keyless ignition. On the screen, using the buttons just below, we can access our key features, which are media, climate control, navigation, our driving functions and vehicle settings, smartphone integration, Apple and Android CarPlay, and our flow, statistics and charge. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. We also have 3 different driving modes to choose from: Eco, Normal and Sport. And as we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that all of the seats have a black leather trim. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.